Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you with another 365 days of fish keeping video. So for those that don't know, I'm doing a video for the whole year. We're highlighting, fish, plants, fish foods, doing quick little care guides and stuff like that. Giving everything a rating from 1 to 10, based on care of use, my personal experience with it. Hope you guys enjoy, and please, if you have not already, remember to smash that sub button, give the video a like, and thank you guys so much for all the support on the videos lately. So for this video, we are looking at snails. But not just any snail. We are going to look at the mystery snail today. So this is a very extremely popular gastropod in the aquarium hobby. They're often purchased because, they're good cleaner fish, or cleaner, creatures, you should say. They normally come from South America in the wild, in places like Peru, Paraguay, and Brazil. Now, in these areas, they're going to be found scavenging plant matter and things on the bottoms of rivers, swamps, or ponds. Near the bottom of the substrate is where we're going to spend most of their time. And this is because, all that plant matter, leaves and stuff, falls to the bottom of those, water beds and decays, and it's easy food. Enough about talking about wild mystery snails. You're here to hear about mystery snails in your aquarium and ways to keep them and all that good jazz. And I thought, who better to talk about mystery snails than a fellow snail lover? Today we have a special guest, and our special guest is Lav Snails, is going to be helping us out today, talking all about care for mystery snails. Their link is in the description. Please go check them out if you do not already. So without further ado, I'm going to let Lav take it away here.
Hello, snaily friends. My name is Lav. Have you recently acquired a mystery snail? Do you not know one thing about how to take care of them? This under 5-minute guide is for you. There are really just a couple of things that mystery snails need in order to live a nice, long, healthy life. The first thing is good water quality. Your tank should be cycled. Though mystery snails could live through the cycling of an aquarium, they do much better in a fully cycled aquarium. In order to prevent any erosion of the shell, you want to maintain a pH above 7, with your KH about 12 to 18 and your GH 8 to 18. Really, the harder the better. Personally, I utilize a variety of Seachem products in order to achieve this. So that's number one. Make sure the water quality is good, with a good high pH and hardness up as well. You also will want to maintain a good level of calcium in the water column. This will behoove the growth of the mystery snail's shell. If you prefer not to go the additive route, you can try increasing your hardness with things such as limestone or crushed coral, or the wonderful product on the market called the Wonder Shell, and see if that helps. Cuttlebone is an excellent thing to keep in your aquarium as well, not only for a little added calcium in the water column, but also they can graze on it and receive a little extra calcium in their food. Which brings me to the second most important thing when keeping a mystery snail. I can't tell you how many people I've talked to that do not feed their mystery snails and just let their mystery snails graze on the algae in their tank, and then wonder why their snail meets such a short end. The answer is relatively simple. They eat a lot, and you want to provide a large amount of a wide variety of food for them. If you only own 1 or 2 snails, at least give them a nice hearty meal once a week. They really love broccoli. Green beans are especially a favorite. Anything really that is green and can be blanched or steamed to oblivion, they really enjoy. Also, you can make fun things for them, like a snail jello or a snello. And in snellos, you can really jam them packed full of really wonderful things for proper shell growth, proper operculum growth, really overall a wonderful long lifespan for them. And also, please do get a heater and set it at 74 or 75. I do want to mention that in addition to calcium in their diet, it is extremely important that they receive protein as well. Their operculum is made up of a protein-like material, so it is important for them to get protein as well. This can be in the form of dried krill, dried bloodworms in their snello, or even live bloodworms or white worms, anything that is high in protein. My go-to favorite for protein in this house is hard-boiled egg yolk. Added to their food or directly for them to munch on is beneficial. Variety is the spice of life, right? For them too. So a wide variety of high calcium, if you can, vegetables that are thoroughly cooked, and protein wherever you can get it. And that's really it. Keeping mystery snails is relatively simple, though might seem a bit complicated at first. But really, if they have good water quality and a clean tank and a nice clean environment, and are provided with a wide variety of foods containing essential nutrients and minerals that they need in order to have good shell growth, good operculum growth, and good energy for their lifespan. Most importantly, calcium and protein. And love. Love your snail. Don't just let them eat algae. Enjoy your new snaily friend. They really are magical creatures.
Just want to give Lab a big thank you for agreeing to help me on this video. If you haven't already, please go check her out. She is a great snail keeper and will give you lots of good information. And of course, thank you all so much for the support on all these videos. If you have not already, please remember to leave a comment down below, like, and subscribe to the channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one.